Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this a no makeup look which is perfect for back to school. It's something super natural, super light. I'm using minimal products as well. If you don't have any of the product that I'm using in this look, then feel free to switch them up with your favorites. But if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm first starting off by applying some of this NMFe Moisturizer, and by all means you don't have to use this exact products, but these are the ones that I had lying around on my vanity. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using. Then grabbing some face mist from Zofla, I'm just spraying this all over my face to keep me hydrated, kind of wake me up in the morning as well. Then using my Lumi Touch concealer by Maybelline, I'm just dabbing that underneath my eyes with a beauty blender. And what I like about the beauty blender in that it does most of the work for you, so you don't really have to work too much or worry too much about making sure everything is blending out, because this just does it so beautifully. So here I'm just making sure all of the colors blended underneath my eyes, on my nose, because I do get a bit of red nose, and then what time was left over on my chin as well, and just any other areas where I feel like have slight blemishes. Then I'm using my Lakme compact powder. I'm applying this where I conceal. Then it's time to fill in my brows. So I like to start off with a Maybelline Fashinbrow grey color. Then I make my eyebrows feel like a natural brows. Next up we are gonna move straight onto lashes, and I'm using Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline, and you guys know how much I love mascara, so this is why I'm kind of going for like a heavier lash look. But you can always go with your favorite mascara. If you don't like kind of heavy lashes, then you can go with the natural mascara. So once I am done with that, I was kind of like happy with the base and everything, and it was time to move on to my cheeks. And for the cheeks I'm using a blusher, and this one is a blush from Maybelline, and I'm dabbing this onto my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Contour palette, and just as a bronzing up my face, and I wanted this look to be super natural, so this is why I have used this kind of products. And I'm adding just a little bit of contour just to kind of warm up my skin ever so slightly. Then taking this Baby Lips Lip Balm from Maybelline, I'm just putting that all over my lips for a slight hint of color, and then I'm take off the excess lip balm with this tissue paper. And that, you guys, is the no makeup look, something super natural, something where you can't really tell that you have got much makeup on at all, and it's super minimal and perfect for school. I really hope you guys enjoyed this natural no makeup look, back to school look. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I guess I will see you all in my next video. Bye.